video. We've just seen it. It started. It has started.
There it's up. It's done, guys.
Look, it started. Now I'm going back in the backfield.
No, Danny.
Aye.
Why are you leaving that?
Because it's better.
I think go.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Your house is just gone out.
Yeah, Muirhouse is just going. This is part 3.
Yeah.
Just looking at the window.
Look.
Dad, I'll see you. I'll see you.
Mom.
Hi, Mum.
There's something in there. There's something bad in there.
Team.
Whoa, now it's gone in flames.
Right, do you know? I thought your dad was getting fireworks
Aye.
to put in this garden.
Aye.
Alright, good. Hey, when's he doing that?
I have no idea.
Can you ask him?
It's very bad.
Can you ask him?
Dad!
That's what.
Is that the window? Is that the window?
Dad, he's in the window. Whoa, it's massive! It's bloody massive! Team! Ah, it's massive! It's massive!
Look at it!
Look at it! Look at it! It's amazing. Wait, if I can climb up here. There it is. Jeez. No, he wouldn't, because he's asking his dad, son. What? At 7, that's what I want to wait. Huh? That's what I want to wait. I'm going to shout at my mum. She's on the phone.
Oh,
She's on the phone.
Is that guy doing? Campbell. Yeah, he's there.
Do you know what I'm going? Dad, just give us a shout.
No.
Give us a shout.
Why is it?
Dad, give us a shout, right? Give us a shout when your dad's going to bring the fireworks down. Aye, because I'm going back there because it looks cooler. Right, bye guys. I'm coming back soon. Aye, let's go. Okay,
We're not going to shout here.
okay, let's go.
Okay, I'll walk, but we're going for Dale. Oh yes, I can see the fireworks.
We're going to go in for Dale, so I'm going to come.
Dale's sitting in my back here.
It's what? I can. Run. Oh, Jesus, I just seen one of them. It was about to hit me. Guys, don't leave me. Most of the pictures away. Jesus, I can't see.
He's just eating this thing out there. I can smell it. Yeah.
So can I.
I saw that. Hey, Tony, look.
I know we've seen it because I caught it on camera.
Yeah, but this is one fire. It's huge. Fire.
It is huge.
It is. But we're going to do that. No, we're not. We're just standing on my back in them. Oh, and it's that's why you need fireworks in the back of the house.
Give him 2 minutes to get his shoes and that on.
Lewis is down. Come on.
I know.
Dale, we're in here.
Yeah.
Dale, then you come over in later and have it.
Okay.
I can't see people. By the way, Dale, oh jeez. Dale, I'm doing a YouTube video. noise. Okay? Sheila, look. Right, mission. I told you it was massive. Hiya. Hiya. See, look at that.
Why did you see there?
I can't. I know.
It's amazing.
Bye. You can go in the zoo and I'm here. My little sister and that.
Is he from the zoo?
No, I don't think so. I've not seen him.
Campbell's there. Kenzie's there.
Tegan's there.
Kenzie's there.
No, it's not.
Aye,
No, he's at the other one.
Whoa, that's roasting that. Oh, I wish that was my heater now.
I know.
Oh, I might jump the fence.
You can do that if you want.
I might jump the fence and just to jump my fence.
Aye, you are.
No, I know this.
Aye, he's...
But I just got my hair cut, so. I might test it.
Look at it. It's amazing. Yeah. I wish this was my heater. Every time I face it to the camera, watch. Wait, watch this. Wait, look. It was like that.
Because you need to give it a second to adjust the brightness.
Right, I'm going to go back round if that's alright, Mum.
Yeah, but when we're going in, you're coming in too.
Why?
Because it's dangerous to be here with me.
No, I'm going in Dad's garden.
No, you know that you're not allowed to when it's dark anyway.
I'm going in Dad's garden because they're setting off fireworks as well.
When?
At 7.
What time is it now?
Like 6:15.
It's 6:45.
Right, bye.
Bye.
Feel the heat?
We're going back round to Dad's garden. My shoes! As you can see, Dale's just came out. Because we went for it in for him. As you can see, when I was in the stair was pitch black. Apart from the top. Kind of, and the bottom. Oh, just the bottom, not the top. Are you just going round? Are you just going back round?
I'm going round.
Alright. So we're not going in Dad's garden, we're going back round. I told you it's good there. I told you it's massive. My shoes. Told you it's good there. Hey.
That's it.
Aye, you're back round. Because Dale and Dad are back.
Right. Mate, it's too
Look, what's this was my heater? Move over a bit, Leo.
Huh?
Move over a bit.
Shut up. No. You want to say
I can't fit there.
Ayo.
I can't.
What you playing? Oh, right. Taking a photo yet?
No, video. It's a video. YouTube.
Oh, right. Video it then.
I've videoed it. It's been on for 11 minutes already, told you. Because Dad was going to do it at 7 and his back grading.
I'm staying here.
Tommy, if you wanted to, you can come in Dad's back garden because he's going to set off fireworks at 7. And that's like 45 minutes away.
I don't know. No, yet.
I know.
Who's that? Oh, right. It looks like Molly, but does it look the same? She no hole.
That's my little sister. Oh. It's roasting. Where are you going, Mum? What? Alright, you going home, Mia?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye.
I will.
Stay here, stay beside your car.
And in the back, Dad's back garden. Because I'll be there as well. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to come over here and pick me up?
Bye, Paul.
That's the stuff what we can put on. Wait, I didn't get really over there. Make it much better.
Where are you going?
It's a young first part of us.
I'm allowed to go there. Just checking my deal, son.
Alright.
You want to stay here? So I'll sit here for this.
Is there any other seats?
No, this is the only last one.
Okay.
You can sit here.
Oh, cool. My mum and my little sister's left because my little sister wants to go.
Where's your wee sister?
She's home. She went home with my mum
Oh.
because she wants to go home. We'll need to do a 4th part, Daryl.
How?
Because look, it's at 30 minutes and plus I'll need to video your one at 7.
Aye.
Because Daryl's doing one, eh?
Aye.
Aye.
My eyes are staring now.
They stare at it, just... The King Campbell, Dale, Leo, Paul, Tommy and...
Paul's here. Dale's brother.
No,
Oh, right.
the ginger Paul from our school.
All right. Ginger Paul from your school?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know he lived around here.
It is. You didn't kind of is. No problem.
Hi, Leo.
Right,
Yeah.
how's Dale on that? Wait, how's Dale on that go to Sparklers?
Oh, how did they get
Dale, Tommy, how did you just get Sparklers?
Because we did.
How?
Because we did.
But how? Wait, McDonald. Right, we'll need your 4 $4. Thank you guys for watching and press the buttons. See you.